Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text edit in PDF files. First, open your PDF document in a compatible editor like Adobe Acrobat Pro. Once open, locate and select the Edit PDF tool from the right-hand pane. This action will activate the editing mode, allowing you to click directly on any text block within the document. You can then make your desired changes easily. After selecting the text, a formatting toolbar will appear, offering various options. You can easily change the font type, size, and color to match the document's existing style. Adjusting text alignment, whether to the left, center, right, or justified, is also straightforward. Furthermore, you have the flexibility to insert new text boxes or delete entire text blocks if they are no longer required. Beyond basic text, many PDF editors allow you to manipulate images. You can resize, move, or even replace images to better suit your content. For larger projects, you might need to rearrange pages or combine several PDF documents into a single, cohesive file. If you're working with scanned documents, optical character recognition, or OCR, can convert image-based text into editable text, making your work much simpler. Once you've completed all your edits, it's crucial to save your PDF to ensure all changes are permanently applied. You can then easily share your updated document with colleagues or clients via email, or upload it to cloud storage for collaborative access. And speaking of smart solutions, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to simplify your life. This ensures everyone has the most current version of your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.